Hey guys, if you are trying to power on your PC but nothing is happening, no worry, I got you covered. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix this issue quickly. So let's get started. The first thing you need to check is the SMPS or the power supply to test if the power supply is working or not. You can use a simple trick with a wire. Here I am using a wire to jumpstart the power supply, and as you guys can see, the power supply is working. The RGB fan is spinning, so the issue isn't with the SMPS. That means the problem could be somewhere else. Next, let's test the motherboard to see if the powering on. To do this, locate the power switch pin on the motherboard and try starting the PC by touching the pin with a screwdriver. And look at that, the PC power on successfully. That means the issue isn't with the power supply or the motherboard. It's likely to be the power button on the case. Now let's fix the power button on the case. First, remove the front panel of the case carefully with a screwdriver. Once you have done that, locate the two wire connected to the power button. What we will do next is temporarily touch the two wire together to see if the PC powers on. And as you guys can see, the PC powers on, so we have confirmed that the issue is with the power button wires. To fix this issue, solder the two wires together securely before soldering. Make sure to double check by touching the two wire to confirm the PC powers on or not. After soldering, let's test the PC one more time. And there you go guys, the PC boot up perfectly without any issue. This was caused by a loose or faulty connection in the power button wire. After soldering, everything works smoothly again. That's it for today's video. If your PC isn't powering on, sometimes the case button could be the problem. I hope this video helped you fix it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.